first you have the normal trackpad app, and then we give you different buttons that you can freely customize using the driver over here. And if you want to return to the default, you use this key on the bottom here, which lets you go back to the default mode. Then we give the numpad app, so if you want to use your calculator or Excel sheets, anything. We have a macro recorder, so you can actually record macros right on the screen and modify them as well. The gaming mode configuration, where you can actually disable the Alt tab and disable the Windows key if you don't want to bounce out of your game accidentally. You can run a browser on this screen. So this is loading up the Razer homepage right now. So it lets you scroll, lets you do kind of pinch, zoom and zoom in and zoom out. You can navigate through to different websites if you want. Then we have the YouTube app. Right now it's just what's trending on YouTube. You can actually play videos. I'm just selecting a random one. Yeah, any loading.
This is configured as a second display, right? So you can actually see it in the desktop, right?
So you can actually, it opens up possibilities for game developers if they want to use this as a secondary screen, maybe to shift your map down here. Yeah, just for demo purposes. Then we can browse the mobile version of Facebook if you want. Twitter as well, Gmail as well, or just run a clock here. Those are just some examples that we gave users kind of as a first off to demonstrate the Switchblade user interface. Later on we're probably going to develop more apps for it and maybe encourage other people to develop for it as well. The most important thing is probably that you can freely customize these keys over here. You can even assign pictures to it if you want. Maybe I'll demonstrate it. So say if you want to have this key and you want to change the image on the key itself, we give you a few images to choose from, or you can custom images. Okay. I actually created these before. You can create a new one if you want.
Picture.
Then go to pictures. You can actually go and take any picture that you want. Let's go to this. So I don't know if you want to have the desert there. Can. So now.
This one.
This picture is obviously a bit too large, but yeah, you get the point. I'll save it here, now it's here, and I'll select it for this key, save, and right now you have it here. So if you want to have an icon of a game, for example, and then program the key that it launches the game, for example, just as a simple example, you could do that. So obviously there's a lot you can imagine that you can do with it. And then all the other keys are programmable as well.
Yeah.
Obviously only the 10 here with images itself. Yeah.